So one option we have is a Beltman's operator station. The BearCat ChipSpreader is totally designed to be operated by one person in the operator seat only. Some of our operation out there, some customers want to have a Beltman up here, and we provide them this optional box on the front end. Basically, they can do just about anything the back one does. They also have a gate clear button up here. If you get a rock in a spot, you can pick the gate that you want to clear, and if you hit that gate clear and hold it, the cams will start stroking up to 85%. That's what we set it to from the factory. You can have it go further, but it'll stroke up to 85%, which give it a wide opening to clear a rock or pecans or whatever you got in your hopper while you're chip spreading. You let go of that, the cam will come back. Turn that switch back off. You can operate the hitch up here. You can operate the meat line. The meat line switch is when you have your master on, you're going along your chipping, and you're ready to stop. You can stop it with the meat line. Leave the master on. Back up, hook up to the truck. When you come forward again, it will automatically open the gates where you turn the gates off at by using the meat line function. If we come over a little ways here, if we talked about the hitch, it has open and closed on the hitch. You can adjust your belts from off to where they come on with the master, or you can put them in auto. You want to run these in auto for production reasons. Your augers will come on when they need to. Your belts come on when they need to if you run them in auto. If your machine's out of rock and they're just sitting there turning, you may want to turn them off or have them come back on with the master. There's a couple of reasons you would use those different switches. I like to keep everything in auto unless I don't have any material in there, just sitting there spinning without any material, then I'll turn them off. A lot of times I'll just turn them to master. That way if I hit the master switch again, they will come on. But generally you'll operate them in auto. And here's your belt. It's got the same option there. You can have them off. You can run them manually here. Belts, augers. You can push a little extra material up by using this manual switch. This is going to be your auto functions here. You can extend your hoppers in and out with these switches. You can run the vibrator on and off. These roller switches here and these roller switches here are individual gates. These switches here, you can run a taper from right to left, or run it back out, or you can run it from left to, it's cutting it from the left, cutting it back to the left. Master off. That's the front control panel. These are plug and play. If your machine doesn't have it, you can order it and we can ship you a kit. You can plug it into this box here, mount the mount, it's ready to go.